Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Honda Accord Sport. I actually really like this vehicle. It's a lot of fun to drive. This one's fitted with the 2.4 liter inline 4 with VTEC. Nice faux carbon fiber trim throughout. Love the piano black accents. Tons of rear seat room. Center infotainment screen you can configure to your heart's content. You can also rearrange that center infotainment to view your range, your average fuel economy, your oil life. I put it on the odometer. This one has a little over 34,000 miles on it. So not that many miles whatsoever. So this one has the continuously variable transmission, meaning there's no set gears. It's just bunch of different bands that realign themselves in order to create the gears for you. It's pretty ingenious technology, and it's one of the ways that these vehicles can have the performance they do with the fuel economy they do. Just my luck, light turns red. So what VTEC is it's a second camshaft in the motor that activates at a certain RPM that provides more power for you in those upper RPMs. It does vary from car to car. This one activates at 5,000 RPM, so let's see if you guys can hear it. There. It might not come across on camera, but you can definitely hear it when you don't have the radio on and stuff like that. It comes on, and you do feel a little bit of a shove in the back of your, to the back of the seat. So you can definitely tell that it does provide a little bit more power. I guess the wind blew that stop sign. Jeez. What's kind of funny is now I wonder how many people are going to stop there thinking that that stop sign's for them. You do have paddle shifters behind the wheel to give you a little bit more control of when this transmission shifts. They're very responsive. That's not something I expected. Extremely responsive. I also really like the driving position. You're sat down low. I do have the seat all the way down. For those of you who may be curious what the horn sounds like, there you go. Ride is great, even with this being the sport model. I can definitely see why this is one of the best-selling vehicles in America. It's a very, very nice car to drive. I'm definitely impressed. Back in 2017, there was a V6 available. This one, however, is fitted with, as I stated before, the 4-cylinder. However, I'm not lacking for power. It has plenty of power. It's not like I'm sitting here, oh man, I wish I went for the V6. It's definitely a great car as it sits. Visibility is absolutely spectacular. No complaints there. Even these A-pillars are nice and small. And it looks like the previous owner installed little blind spot mirrors, which is a pretty welcome addition. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.